What's up guys, today I have another niche for you. So this is a summer word search activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. So this is a really good niche. So the summer word search activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. So it only has 354 results, so it's very good competition. So as you can see, there are many books here. Let me show you how much people are making here. I'm using KDP here. So the estimated monthly revenue, I'm just sorting this out. $25,000. Can you believe that? With just one book. So I'll show you how you can get all of this, how you can set this up for free. So as you can see, this is a very good niche. Let me show you the pictures here. So you need to have a very good cover for here. So you can go to topcoverdesigner.com to have your book cover made for $5. Just go to topcoverdesigner.com, and for $5 you can have a beautiful cover. So as you can see, many of them are activity books. You can even add them. Let me show you how you can get the interiors for free. So I go to kdpdownload.com. So this is my go-to tool. I go to kdpdownload.com. It's a summer word search. I search for the summer word search. As you can see, 50 cents, $1, 90 cents. You can even download this for free, by the way. You can download 10 of this for free. So just go to kdpdownload.com, search for whatever you want, and just download this. So for the keywords, I first go to the kdprank.com. You can download this from Chrome, the free Chrome extension for free. You can download this for free and have fun with it. So the free Chrome extension for Amazon FBA and even Walmart sellers. So as you log into this website, it gives you something like this. So kdprank.com. So this is a kdprank.com, and as you can see, as you log in, there is a magnet tool. As you can see, there is a magnet tool. There are many tools, but so I search for the summer word search activity for book for kids. It's general term, and I just get keywords. I press get keywords. A general term, by the way. Yes. So there are many keywords that I can use. So I sort this out by the search volume trend, and I'll show you how you can do that. So as you can see, this is a 900 search. So you can use kids story. You can use this keyword, the word search, the word finding. You can sprinkle this on your subtitle and even the main title. You can add that in the 7 keywords space as you publish your book on KDP. So this is very helpful. If you even get the 2-3 keywords, you'll be on the way. So have fun with this one, guys. So go to kdptips.com. As a giveaway, I'm giving you a full book, the Secret KDP Bestsellers Guide. So have fun with this one. I just go to KDP Tips and sign up. Just we only need your email. So this is, guys, the summer word search activity book for kids. Have fun with this one. Experiment a little and use whatever you want with this within the tools, especially kdprank.com. Have fun with it. So I'll see you guys next time. Have fun with this one. Bye bye.